Hi, I'm Rob. I work for Jackson County Public Health, and I want to introduce you to Bluebox. Bluebox is a free-of-charge, self-serve vending machine full of public health supplies that will promote the wellness and health of our communities. And today I'm going to show you how to use Bluebox. First, select your item using the touch screen. Today I'm going to get some Narcan or naloxone. Click the Narcan and next enter your zip code and then click the blue check mark. Wait for your item to dispense and then go to the bottom to grab your free supply. And there you have it, free public health supplies. To find a vending machine near you, visit jcph.org/bluebox.